Have you ever seen people in your life go through the same type of painful scenario over and over again? Or maybe this is something that's been happening to you. You may have wondered, why does somebody who has lost money through a bad investment end up losing money again and again? Why does a woman who wants to be in a relationship keep attracting unavailable men? Why does a man who leaves his job because he can't get on with his manager end up leaving the next job for the same reason? Why do some people get stuck in grief and can't let go of the pain of losing someone or something? Why does someone who's just got out of a toxic relationship end up in another toxic relationship? The reason people get stuck in painful, repetitive patterns is that at some stage in their lives they experienced trauma, and that traumatic memory got stuck in their aura or energy field. Because the aura is electromagnetic, it attracts what it holds. Until the trauma is cleared, the person will continue to unconsciously attract the same type of painful scenarios into their life, feeling like they're going round and round in circles, unable to move forward. While trauma is a hot topic in the world, and there's no shortage of options that claim to heal, address and cure trauma, generally the success rate of creating lasting freedom from trauma is very low, and many people remain stuck in a cycle of trauma, pain, grief and suffering. When I was creating the first light flower essences of New Zealand range, nature revealed to me that traumatic memories can be cleared from the aura, releasing a person from a cycle of repetitive scenarios. The 7 fern essences in the first light flower essences of New Zealand range can help us to do that. These essences were made using a special proprietary process that was communicated directly to me by nature, and they have the power to access deep levels of the human psyche or soul to clear trauma. The beautiful part of working with First Light Flower Essences of New Zealand Fern Essences is that it does not require years and years of trauma work, and it does not require you to remember or relive any traumatic experiences. The First Light Fern Essences are quite literally doing the clearing work for you. All you need to do is take the drops. The First Light Fern Essences do not cause a healing crisis. They work to gently clear cellular memory, to restore natural harmony at the deepest levels of your being so you can experience a sense of natural well-being. In my course, First Light Ferns, Life Trauma, I share information with you that is not available anywhere else. I share in-depth teachings on trauma, the aura, and how you can work with the family of First Light Fern Essences to create freedom from any type of trauma, no matter how deep or how old the trauma is, even if you have unsuccessfully tried other methods to clear it. If you're interested in learning more about how you can become free from trauma and assist others around you, your children, partner, family members, friends, colleague, or clients, I invite you to join me in this online course. Our state-of-the-art online school enables you to access the material from anywhere in the world. You can study at your own pace, ask me questions, feel supported, and be part of a like-minded community. Learn more about this course below and use the button at the bottom of the page to enroll. I look forward to seeing you in the online classroom and to walking this deeply empowering, holistic healing pathway with you.